Nature quotes in English. Nature is a gift for the soul, oneness of her profound flow. The forest spoke to my soul in a language I already knew, a distant lullaby from the womb of peace and solitude. Nature's heart is evergreen, her soul is as deep as the wild blue sea. In a world of constant change and streaming technology, I find solace in the forest where a tree remains a tree. Mountains whisper for me to wander, my soul hikes to the call. Look deep into the nature and you will understand everything better. Forest cradles my shadow as hers and gives my soul company without saying a word.